Alright, so I'm not in the back of the bed of the truck. It's right there. I'm using the back side of the truck so I can use it for shade, because it's really damn sunny. Like, really sunny. And now we can see what was behind the carbon fiber back piece that was in the back passenger side. So there's a white body gone. I took it all off. Look at all this damn bando, man. Jesus. Fiberglass and bando. Some hack job all the way through. I mean, for what it looks of it, looks good. It's not as rusted as I thought it was. Looks clean, just a little bit of the minor that can be fixed real quick. That is all the white fenders, the rear fenders, and back bumper that I took off.